how to start streaming on Twitch using mobile, Android, and iPhone. So for that, you need to simply download Twitch app in these devices, like you can download it on Android, iPhone, and your mobile. So after that, you need to open Twitch. Now, you need to simply click on that plus icon. After that, if you want to stream IRL, you can click on that. That means that you will streaming using your mobile camera. And if you want to stream games, you can simply click on stream games. After that, you can select the game that I'll download it in your that device. So, for example, PUBG Mobile is downloaded in my device, so I will simply select it. After that, I will simply continue. Here, I can select quality of stream, and after that, I will continue. Here, I can adjust my microphone, and once you adjust it, also you need to make sure that you need to add title of your game. If you didn't add any title, your stream will be not started. So, for example, you can add any random title, or you want to add specific title is upon you. After that, you need to click on launch game. Once you click on launch game, your streaming will be started if you click on start now. Thanks for watching.